We found a cafe here in Quezon City na bukod sa nag-o-offer ng masasarap na food and drinks, meron din sila ditong mga interactive activities that you can do along with your friends and family. And I'm sure hindi lang kids, kundi pa din na rin mga kids at heart, talagang mag-e-enjoy dito. Dito nga lang yan sa Neo Art Cafe na located along NS Amoranto Street, corner Cordillera, Quezon City. Toy store nga rin pala sila, kaya una nyo talaga mapapansin is yung kanilang mga toy displays. And sila nga rin ang official distributor ng Lucky Emma blind boxes na talagang sikat sa China dito sa Philippines. They have different series and comes in different sizes, you name it, halos lahat nga raw nandito na. They also have kids apparel, different types of keychains, stuffed toys and flashies, mga model kit like Gundams, at eto pa para sa mga mahilig mag-collect dyan, this is a paradise for you. Samot-saring action figures like Dragon Ball, One Piece, Naruto, and many more. Pati na rin tong malalaking Pokemon displays, for sale din lahat yan. They also have canvas and drip painting activities here habang naghihintay kayo. Price ranges from 250 pesos to 1,000 pesos, depende sa laki. Tapos yan, i-assist din naman kayo ng mga staff nila. Ang fun at ang cute nga ng mga activities na to, lalo na if may kasama kayong kids, imbes na nagsa-cellphone, ayan, hayaan nyo lang sila dyan. Papipiliin kayo kung anong color ng paint ang gusto nyo and kayo na yung bahala mag-design. Okay nga rin yung mga food nila dito, tulad nitong creamy carbonara, creamy and hits the spot. Kumbaga kung nagka-crave ka sa pasta, saktong-sakto sa'yo to, tapos al dente pa yung pasta. Sarap nga rin tong chicken pops nila, good for sharing, tender yung meat, and actually may kalasa siyang sikat na brand ng fried chicken. We also tried their Neo breakfast platter, may kasama na yung sunny side up egg, sausage, bacon and tapa. Yung tapa and bacon, nothing fancy, pero nasarapan talaga ako dun sa sausage. Meaty, a bit sweet and peppery, and good thing na may salad sa sides to balance it all out. Must try naman tong kanilang bacon benedict sandwich, both sweet and savory, tapos ang dami ng serving. Actually, ito palang complete meal na For the drinks naman, we had their iced dark choco milk and strawberry milk na parehas pwede sa kids. And kung refreshing drinks naman, okay itong kanilang peach mango fruit tea and green apple soda. And our favorite, yung kanilang iced matcha latte and biscoff latte. And for me, lahat ng drinks nila, bukod sa masarap, reasonable din yung price, kaya talagang approve. By the way, they have limited special offer for only 4,400. Pwede kayong mag-avail ng kanilang 4-course meal for 2 plus 2 pieces of limited edition Lucky Emma flash figure. This is only from Feb 13 to 16 and Feb 20 to 23, kaya naman reserve your slots now. Kaya naman sa mga taga QC dyan or nearby areas na naghahanap ng bagong coffee spot, you should try here at Neo Art Cafe.